In this video, I am going to show you the t-shirt that made more than $17,600 in revenue by doing print on demand on own store. I will also be showing you his e-commerce store, on which this guy is selling this highly selling t-shirt, and I will also take you into his Facebook ad targeting. So here we are on his website, and you can take a look at t-shirt designs and everything. Just think what makes this t-shirt special and why this t-shirt is getting such a huge response. I will leave this analysis on you. Now, you might be wondering how it proves that this t-shirt sold more than $17,600. Well, I bet this t-shirt has been sold way more than that, but let me show you how. 5% of all reactions is 800 products sold, and the price of one t-shirt is $22, which means 800 multiplied by 22 comes out to be $17,600 in sales. And remember, this all is when we took very conservative estimate. This is the ad campaign setup by the advertiser. You can see that this post has got 16,000 reactions on this post. You can see that he has targeted male and female from 38 to 101 age group in United States, which is quite strange targeting, even for me. If you also want to spy on Facebook and Instagram ads like me, then you can check out this software I am using. The link has been given in description. Subscribe the channel if you want to see more print on demand related videos.